In this video, you'll see how the Aisera Assistant automates issue resolution and conducts deep research to generate high-quality IT knowledge. Shown in this video is Sophia, an ITSM practitioner. Aisera Assistant notifies Sophia about a performance issue. She clicks on the notification to see further details. The Aisera Assistant identifies the root cause, assesses the impact, and determines a suitable fix that can be used for remediation. As the Aisera Assistant works through the fix, it reports each step as a checklist. It not only provides immediate remediation, but also creates a change request that includes additional configuration validation in the CICD pipeline and schedules a meeting to implement the permanent fix during the next maintenance window. Aisera Assistant creates the knowledge article for this type of issue through deep research. It analyzes internal data sources, such as resolved tickets and live agent transcripts, as well as external sources, to generate comprehensive documentation. The generated knowledge article is displayed as a link here and can be published to the system of record.